Yo, what's going on, good people? I go by the name of Akemi Grady. Welcome to Evergreen Hideout. So for the topic for today's video, we're going to grow green onions in a container. So we're going to use a container as a gardening idea, and the type of onions that we're going to grow for this type of a video is spring onions. So spring onions are non-bulbous onions. They typically perform well in spring season and summertime. Okay everyone, right here we have our spring onion. Now this type of an onion right here is a reproducing onion. So if I plant this one onion right here, I'm expecting it to multiply to 15 to 20 onions. So it typically grows much better and well when it's planted in the spring season and summertime. So you can plant your onions right now and expect them to survive until winter. So after winter, they will stop reproducing. So what I'm going to do right now for my onions is to shuffle our soil. After shuffling our soil, I am going to plant them one by one. After planting them one by one, we will see how they progress and I will monitor them. So let's prepare our soil. Now, when you prepare your soil, make sure that there is no rocky substances in your soil because we don't want our onions to be bending. And we do not plant our onions next to each other because they will deny each other nutrients. So when you're done with preparing your soil like this, what you want to do is to separate your onions. So I'm separating my onions and planting them as individuals. Now this is how they are going to be. I am going to grow 4 onions. As you can see, 4 onions is what I need. Now growing this type of an onion is easy because they do not have to grow bulbs. We only eat the tops, these green tops right here. Or if they have matured enough, you can eat the stem too. Now, growing your onions is very advantageous in your garden because onions also propel insects. So what I'm going to do right now for our onions is to water them. Now, watering your soil is saving these onions from having soil pores on the soil. Make sure that you water thoroughly and cover all the soil pores. And we are done. Okay, so here's a quick update on our onions. Just about a week and a half ago, we planted our onions and I'm starting to see progression on them. So as you can see right here, our onions have started to reproduce. Now, this is the onions that I've been talking about. Now, I'm expecting them to multiply and be more than what they are right now. So, I am going to apply my eggshells. Now, before you apply your eggshells, make sure that they are dry. So, applying eggshells on your onions provides your soil with calcium. So this is what I am going to do, and then we are going to monitor them and see how they progress. Okay everyone, welcome back to our onions update. Now as you can see right here, our onions have progressed. Now they have progressed beautifully. As you can see right here, we have bunch of stems as I professed. Now what I did in this container right here was to put my sawdust. Now this sawdust is organic and it's a decaying material. It also provides the soil with necessary nutrients. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of bulbs right here, as I've said. Now imagine if I were to separate all these onions right here and then replant them in my garden, I will have 10 times more onions than what I have right now. Now from growing with one onion, imagine what you can achieve. One onion. Now I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe on the channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will see you on the new video.